What's going on, Tony Rones? It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while, man. Your boy has been a little discouraged, okay? But that's not going to stop me. I'm going to keep pushing and I'm going to keep grinding. I'm not going to get discouraged, okay? I'm going to keep grinding. So, with that being said, I'm going to make some homemade pizza. Ooh. Look. Woo. Catch my breath. I got some homemade. I got some, God darn it, bro. As you can see here, I got some, I can't even talk, bruh. Some pizza rolls of flatbread is 2 in the pack. I got some marinara sauce, man. I got some spinach, pepperoni. I got ham that I'm going to fry up in this pan for my pizza. And you got to have the mozzarella cheese, okay? And a tomato. So, we're going to cut these into nice little strips. Ooh, not too big, not too small, okay? I'll probably cut those down just a little bit. Bam. Look at all that. Oh, God. Good old ham, y'all. Get a little bit of butter. You want this ham to fry up. Fry the ham up. You don't need to fry it up long because it's already, some ham is already cooked. So you don't have to cook it till the sun come up. You just need to fry it up just a little bit. So you go ahead and get your butter. And you're going to melt this in the microwave, okay? Get your butter. Bam. And you get your garlic salt.
He never done this before, but you know it's going to be busted.
You get your Italian seasoning. You can put how much ever you want to put in there. And parsley flakes, okay? Alright, this is what it's going to look like. Just mix it up. Bam. And it smells really good too, y'all. Trust me, it smells really good. Alright, y'all. Everything is put out. We got your mozzarella. I went with marinara, okay? That's what we're going to go with. I'm calm. Look at that. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, that smells good. Smell that.
You can also use tomato paste.
Oh, yeah. You can also use tomato paste, okay? Now, for the garlic thing that we did, we're going to go ahead and put some of this on the bread.
And I just know it. Calm down.
Yeah, it's going to be good. So you're going to get your whole bread, or you can just get the corners, the edges, depends on you. Me, I'm going to get the whole pizza, okay? And you're going to go with the mozzarella sauce. I'm just going to do like this, y'all. I'm just going to start on each side, and I'm just going to smear it out. Bam! So you're going to go with some cheese. I'm just going to go with a good amount of cheese, y'all. Not a lot. Yes, I am. Sometimes, yes. Pepperonis, but I'm really not a big pepperoni guy, so I'll probably just do 4 down the roll, something like that. Now the ham that I fried up, I don't know if anybody else want ham.
Me, I do.
Alright, so I'm just going to go with the ham. And this was fried up with a little bit of butter. Because you want to keep the juices in the hams when you fry it up. You want to keep the juices in. You don't want to dry your ham out because it's going to suck. And last but not least, spinach, y'all. Voila! Yup. Alright, y'all see the pizza is done. This is the wife's pizza. This is my pizza. We're just going to throw it in the oven for about 10 minutes on 400. And I'll show you what it looks like after that, okay? Alright, guys, my pizza is finally done. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Homemade pizza, y'all. Y'all know I'm going to have to do a little taste test for y'all. Y'all already know I got you. I got you. Woo-wee, y'all. Look at that. Homemade pizza, y'all. Let me see if I can get a bite for y'all.
Well, it's hot.
God damn. That bad boy hot, y'all. Look at that steam. Look at that. Let's see. Come on, let me give you some rum. Oh,
It's good though.
like good though. This is a must try, y'all. Give it a try. I'm about to go smash. I don't even want to talk. Peace out.